We're here bright and early at the 2010 Mid-America Truck Show in Louisville, Kentucky, where East Manufacturing is introducing a brand new dump trailer. It's actually a hybrid that combines the advantages of a square box dump trailer and a half-round dump trailer into one brand new Genesis truck. Anytime.
Well, obviously the main benefit here is lightweight. This trailer concept is a combination of square box technology and round bottom technology for lighter weight. But some of the other benefits are easy load slide out. Load tends to go to the middle of the trailer.
Well, let's go around the back end and take a look.
But the advantage of this particular trailer, combining the two technologies, is we've lowered the center of gravity greatly. So the back floor line, this point, is about 7.5 inches lower than a traditional half-round trailer.
Which is kind of shown by this piece of aluminum that we have in the back end, right?
It's form fit in the same radius that a traditional half-round is. Now, this difference, this 7.5 inches, equates to about 7 more cubic yards of capacity. So you take that 7.5 cubic yards of capacity with the right material, let's say like a sand and gravel material, it's 2,000 pounds a cubic yard. That would equate to about 14,000 pounds, 15,000 pounds, or about 30% of a typical legal payload. Now, this front end area was cut and engineered in a manner that is much lower to the ground. The idea here was we wanted the entire profile of this trailer much lower to the ground, so that in cornering, by going around a clover leaf, for instance, this thing will hug the ground. And you know, that is one of the items with a traditional half-round trailer that has been a problem. Rollover in anything that's excessive mile per hour in around a tight turn, just prone to a tip-over situation. This thing, it began with the front end, a special doghouse arrangement so that we could house a cylinder that would allow this thing to have, in a raised position, the entire trailer about a 45-degree dump angle, and yet have a tight profile where the top of the bulkhead, for instance, is flush and even with the side, and the bottom is a nice tight arrangement without the addition of a high box type saddle arrangement.
You've taken the good from the round bottoms, the good from the square bottoms, and to me it looks like you've made the perfect trailer.
Kind of like a hybrid.
Yep. You've made a good hybrid. You've made a perfect trailer.
Well, at first I noticed that it's just kind of a half-breed between the old square trailer and bringing the new round bottom in. It's going to make a lot of noise in this industry.
I like it. It's a nice design.
What kind of really turns you on about it?
Being a combo, you got your sides and then you got part tub. I really like that.
Not quite what everybody else has got. It's got its own look, its own. It's genuine, you know.
That's exactly
it's a genuine product.
I just think it makes more sense than a half-round trailer.
It's the half-round, but you still got good support. Looks good. I like the concept of it. It's a nice-looking trailer.
Well, I like the chic look of it. It looks great. Nice-looking trailer. Looks really good.
So what do you think?
Absolutely gorgeous. Good. It's a good-looking trailer.
Unique. Definitely an East product. First class.
It's a good concept. It looks nice. I like the idea of it's the double walled, isn't it?
Yeah, it's the same.
Exteriors, you got the sides on here which you can replace. It's wider. Your load's not going to be near as high. These are, I like the way these are designed. They're a lot better.
You
You can get abrasions, dents on the inside, patch them, weld them over, whatever. You will not see it on the outside of the trailer. The Genesis panels look great, more of a squared side versus a round. I think it will be a more aerodynamic trailer than a true half round. Lowering the center of gravity to where more of the weight is carried in the belly would really be appealing for cornering. Your load's not as high of the trailer. It'll give the driver a better feel, because naturally when you set everything lower, I've pulled hopper bottom trailers, and even low boys, they're great. You got all that load so close to the ground. So yeah, the lower you can put this load in the trailer.
It's very unique, very unique. You got the big strength of the panels. Remember, the top rail is where all the strength is at. And you made this huge top rail, add some cubic yards to it. It's very unique, which would help on the fuel economy too, going down the sides.
With the rails they put on there and then the Genesis panels, I think it should be a lot more stable.
Center of gravity in a dump trailer is everything. That's what's going to keep us from rolling it over. The thing I noticed about this trailer, he's got a template set in there from the other competitors, and you can see that his trailer is a lot lower. The belly, it sits lower to the ground. It's very important when we're dumping. Very important, especially in cold conditions. Loads freezing. That'll make all the difference in the world.
I like the way this is a lower center of gravity.
I like the concept. More cubic yards than the round bottom. Nice looking, nice weight, lightweight, and it looks like you've got a lot more payload than the competition as far as the half round. So I think it's a good job, very clean. Looking forward to seeing it in the marketplace.
Really very impressive design. I looked at it first, it's totally awesome. The structure and the availability to have different side heights and widths and lengths. It's a really, really nice trailer. Really like it. Definitely.
Cubic yards that they did it all just by sticking my head in the back of the tailgate and noticing it. It's something different.
I think you guys got a good deal here. I like to have one.
If it's as good as any of the East I've had in the past, it'll go long.
I think it's very well constructed and great innovation to the half-round trailer industry. And if anybody can build it reliably, East can.